What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com, home of the #1 crypto classes. If you want to take this complex world of crypto, make it super simple so that you have more success, this channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button right now, join the movement, hit that bell, and everybody hit that thumbs up button. Right now, Bitcoin is in an absolutely critical place. And quickly, Bitcoin is about to do something that it hasn't done in 6 years. In today's video, we're going to talk about what is this thing Bitcoin hasn't done in 6 years. Is it really good, or is it really bad? What does it mean? What are we looking at right now? All of that and more in today's video. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you have a smile on your face. I hope you're looking fresh. Sit back, relax, and get ready for another powerful video as Bitcoin is in a very critical place in its short history. Now, in today's video, we're going to cover a lot of things. Obviously, what this thing is that Bitcoin hasn't done in 6 years. It's pretty pivotal. It's a really big crossroads for Bitcoin right now, and you have to be well aware of what this is and how it's going to impact the market. We're also going to talk about the most critical charts I want you to watch right now so that you're well prepared for what is to come. And to the XRP fans, I'm a man of my word. As promised, we will cover XRP in today's video. Steve's secrets to success. We're going to have another money-making tip for you for free that you can use in your everyday trading. Notification squad, let me see you in the comments, and we're lucky to have this video. I had to jump through so many hoops to make this video. I lost my internet a few days ago. It was a crazy ride. More on that a little bit later. But let's talk about what's been happening, and let's get up to speed. In order to really understand this thing that Bitcoin is about to do that it hasn't done in 6 years, we have to zoom out, and we've got to look at the bigger picture for a second. As we zoom out, we know that this was our bottoming candle, right? And we know that since then, we've had a pretty legendary rally. I'm sure you would agree this was absolutely legendary. But how would we have known that this was going to be a legendary rally? Well, back in December 15th, 2018, almost a year ago, back when Bitcoin was about 3,200, we made this video. And in this video, we called for a legendary rally. It's actually right here. And this was really not a popular thing to say. This was laughed at. It was joked about. And, we all know what happened. We didn't do anything really special. We just knew what to look at on the chart and keep it super simple. So we had this legendary rally, and people were getting really excited. There's a lot of momentum, and people are drooling from the mouth. There's so much greed in the market, and we were able, just utilizing our core principles and the foundation of trading, we were able to call the absolute top of the rally. We said loud and clear, this is a gravestone doji candle. By definition, we're going down from here. This is a major trend reversal. And we were blessed and fortunate to call these 2 failed rallies as well. And then in the last 8 weeks, there was one thing we kept harping on to watch. We said it in every single video for the past 8 weeks. The 21-week moving average is the most critical thing to watch. If we break it, it's devastating. It's a major downfall. If we're able to hold it as support, we will continue bullish and things are looking great. That was the one thing we needed to watch like a hawk for the past 8 weeks. We just broke it. We're going to get into it because this candle hasn't closed yet. We're going to talk about what is this looking like, and more importantly, how does this fit in with the puzzle of Bitcoin doing something it hasn't done in 6 years, which is super critical. We need to be well aware of that. So during this ride, this has been, you are probably feeling really overwhelmed, anxious, a lot of anxiety checking prices all day, and really stressed and overwhelmed. But what if I told you that that shouldn't be the case? What if I told you that you could have doubled your Bitcoin? Imagine what that feeling would be like. What would that feel like if you were able to double your Bitcoin during this tumultuous roller coaster? Because using my customized hybrid trading strategy, my students were taking profits at 13,500. Those that took the diamond and the gold combo, they were taking profits at 13,500. And by the way, what if they decided to buy down here? They would pretty much double their Bitcoin. I want you to get rid of that feeling of stress, overwhelm, anxiety. I don't know what to do. Should I buy? Should I sell? And replace that. I want you to feel the joy of winning. You put your foot down and say, enough is enough. I'm tired of being stressed out. I'm tired of being anxious. I'm tired of checking my prices all day. And I want you to feel the joy of winning. We've got our sale that is just about over. This might be the last chance to have this sale. Do not miss this opportunity. You're going to sign up to this diamond combo if you're super new to crypto. If you've been in crypto for just a few months and you don't want to miss any classes, the diamond combo is for you. Don't miss any special content. Diamond combo contains all of it. First link right down in the description. I'll link it inside the video, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Sign up with PayPal or credit card, $800 savings. If you decide to sign up with Bitcoin or Ethereum, extra $500 savings. You're going to sign up to this gold combo if you've been in crypto between 1 and 2 years. If you have been in crypto between 1 and 2 years, you will absolutely love the gold combo. Second link right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video as well, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. The difference between the diamond and gold, the gold combo skips the beginner. If you feel that you can skip the beginner, boom, you sign up for the gold combo. It's our top seller by far. If you have any questions, info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Send me an email right now. I'll make sure we get you set up with the classes that are best for you and your situation. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, I want you to put your foot down and say, enough is enough. No more stress, no more anxiety. I'm signing up to Steve's classes today, and I want to feel that joy of winning. Okay, critical chart right here. We've talked about it for 8 weeks. This is the 21. This is the 21 week. Pay close attention here, because there is something brewing with this moving average. We're going to really dig into it, and I want to make it crystal clear. We're in a pretty critical spot. Bitcoin is in a critical spot. This candle will close on Sunday, right? We still have a few days, right? We're going to talk about it at length, but this is just that big picture of, hey, where's this moving average? We've got our 100 week, we've got our 50 week, we have the 200 week. And look, this is a very important moment for Bitcoin. I want to look at this chart in detail because this is a really, really powerful chart. The first thing I want to show you is, obviously this is a monthly chart. I want you to take a look down at the bottom with the stochastic RSI. And we're going to zoom out here and just get a big picture breakdown, right? In this channel, we always keep things super simple, and we take a couple steps back to see these trends that other folks are not really seeing because they're really into the day-to-day stuff, which is fine. Everybody's different. But when you take a couple steps back, you can see things a little more clearly. Mainly this. During the entire bull market, our previous bull market, we stayed really, really high with our stochastic RSI on the monthly. In fact, we never went below 70. And if you look at tier 1, right? Tier 1 is here. We had a cross, our first cross in the stochastics on the way down. Lo and behold, we just had our cross on the way down as well in tier 1, right? So what happened after that is we really battled with the stochastic RSI always above 70 for years, for the entire bull market. This is really critical to watch over the next 1 to 3 months, how this interacts. If you see this going down, down below 70, we could be in big trouble, because each bull market we've stayed really strong with our, remember, the stochastic RSI is momentum. Our momentum during a bull market very strong. If you start to see momentum leaving the market, we could be in big trouble. Now let's dig into price action a little bit. On a monthly chart, we ran the fib, right? The fib is going to tell us a story of what level we're at, and then we'll get into a different chart in a moment to see the levels a little more clearly. But once you break a level, right? We were up here at the 0.38. We were trying to hold support, and we broke it. The body of the candle broke it, right? Once you break a level, it's very likely you're going to jump to the next level. So right now, as we speak, live right now, Bitcoin's body is just below this 0.5 level. If you see, and this is a monthly chart, if you see towards the end of September, the price down below 8,003. If you see the price below 8,003, it's very likely our next immediate level would be this level right here, 7,002, 7,003. Okay? So that's in the very short term. If you see us over the next week get below 8,003, the next immediate level would be 7,003-ish. Okay? So just to put things in perspective, a lot of people will use the fib incorrectly. And a lot of people are kind of familiar with the fib, but they don't know how to make money with the fib. Making money is why you're here in crypto. We cover this in the gold and the diamond. You'll become an expert with the fib. Let's get to another chart. This chart we've shown you for about 6 months. Again, this is where we keep crypto. Take this complex world of crypto, keep it super simple so that you have more success. This channel is for you. Hit that subscribe button right now and join the movement. Everybody hit that thumbs up button. I'm just so happy and blessed to be able to make this video. It was so close. I had a bad feeling in my stomach for the past couple days. I lost internet. I jumped through so many hoops to be able to make this video for you. I'm just so happy to be able to make this video for you. And hit that thumbs up button. This is a critical chart. We've shown you this chart for about 6 months. These are our tiers, right? Our stages, as we called them. Now, once you break a stage, it's very likely you're going to go to the next stage. So, for example, with this right here, this break of this 10K, we knew that the next level was 14. This was confirmation that 14 was the top. It was not a popular thing to say. If you rewind the clocks and watch videos around these dates, it was not a popular thing to say. A lot of people said we were very crazy for calling the top of that rally. But look, that's what the charts were saying. I don't want to use emotion, and of course I wanted Bitcoin to continue on its rally, but the charts were saying otherwise. Same on the way down. Once you break a level, you must watch the next level. And remember, last month's videos, we said loud and clear, watch where this candle closes, the monthly candle. If it closes as resistance to 10K, that could be a very bad sign of things to come. We closed as resistance to 10K, and you can see that we're still resisting 10K. And the next level that we've said in all these videos the past 6-7 weeks, if we hold the 21 weekly moving average, things are looking good. If we break the 21 weekly moving average, the only level that we've said in all of our videos that we watch is this one, the 6.4, 6.3K. That's it. It's that simple. These distinct levels on a monthly chart break it down in such a simple way. And by the way, this level is the strongest level in all of crypto by far. Nothing's even close. Why, you ask? Look left. We always look left. When you look left, then you can see, okay, we had 1 monthly candle, 2 monthly candle, 3 monthly candle, 4 monthly candle, 5 monthly candles, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 monthly candles. as critical support and resistance. 12. Nothing's even close to that. There's no other level that's as powerful. So that's the level that we're watching if we see the close on Sunday as bearish, right? So that's the only level we're watching. By the way, pay close attention to about 7.2, 7.3 down to 6.4. This whole block is very strong support. Very strong support from about 7.3 down to 6.3. Very, very strong. It's a whole channel there because we had a lot of price action playing in this channel for months and months and months. So pay close attention. Pay close attention to those zones as we move forward over the next 1 to 3 months. Okay, that's what we'll be watching over the next 1 to 3 months. So as we progress in this video, we really need to break down what is this thing Bitcoin is about to do that it hasn't done in 6 months. If you have any guesses, let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see if anybody is correct, because it's going to be absolutely pivotal and absolutely major, and we're going to be all over this so that you can stay a couple steps ahead of the other humans. But what I want to do is share with you a really important review from Josh on our website, so pay close attention. Josh wrote, quote, "I was guessing with my trades and losing money. Then I bought Steve's classes and everything changed. Recently, Bitcoin was on a great run. The greed index was around 95. So I followed the strategy, taking my profits. The next day, Bitcoin took a major dump, and following the strategy, I got back in at a reduced price. Not only did I make substantial profits, but when I bought back in, I got almost twice Bitcoin that I previously had. This is the exact scenario that I was talking to you about here. I want you to be able to run away from all of that stress and anxiety of checking the prices. Put your foot down and say, enough is enough. I've had enough stress. I've had enough anxiety. I'm putting my foot down. I'm going to sign up to Steve's classes, and I want to feel that joy of winning. Imagine if you took profits up here at 13,500, bought back in down here, almost doubled your Bitcoin. How would that make you feel? That's what I want you to feel. Again, this could very well be the last chance to get this sale. This could very well be the last chance. So do not miss this. Join our students from around the world that have been signing up and having their life changed. You're going to sign up to the Diamond Combo if you've been in crypto for just a few months. If you're new to crypto and you don't want to miss any important content from our classes, Diamond Combo includes all the content. It'll be the first link. Look right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Sign up with Bitcoin, sign up with PayPal or credit card, $800 savings. Again, a massive savings, limited time only. This might be it. If you sign up with Bitcoin or Ethereum, extra $500 savings, massive. If you've been in crypto around 1 to 2 years, if you have been into crypto around 1 to 2 years, the gold combo is for you. It'll be the second link. Look right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video as well. Again, PayPal, credit card, massive savings. Bitcoin or Ethereum, extra $500. If you have any questions, email me right now. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. I want to help you put your foot down and say enough is enough. I want to feel that joy of winning. Now, we're going to take a quick look at the greed index. You can see right now there's extreme fear. Extreme fear in the market, 15. But again, these are trends that we have been talking about for about a year, right? We covered this trend, it lasted about 8 months or so, where we continued to make our high, our higher high, our higher high, our higher high, our higher high for about 8 months, while actually making higher lows as well. Then the trend reversed. How did we know the trend reversed? We got a signal here because we were making higher lows and we made a lower low. Then we had our blow off top and the trend reverse. These are just simple, basic things that a lot of people overlook. The trend is your friend always. Never bet against a trend. Ever. Don't ever bet against a trend. You'll be caught with your pants down every single time. And we said for the past handful of months, the trend is a downtrend with the fear and the greed index. Make no mistake, there was no signs yet that we had a trend reversal. We had our high, lower high, lower high, lower high, while making lower lows as well. And again, right down, we're about here at 15, still have not made a higher high. We need to look for signals that the trend is reversing. But until then, we are in a downtrend, plain and simple. Now, there is some good news. Look, we're still in a bull flag. We're still in a textbook bull flag. The overall crypto space, including Bitcoin and every altcoin, this captures everything. There is a bull flag with the entire crypto market as we speak. And you can see that we've been in this bull flag for quite some time. And you can see that recently we got up to our resistance right here. And what happens when you get to resistance, we were pushed down in a pretty heavy way. And we still haven't been met with our support at our bottom since our candle here in July. So you can see if we were to go down in this candle, you can put us at 187 billion. So that would be a pretty large haircut for crypto, and that's for this candle. If we go to a couple weeks from now, you're talking about the bottom support at 170, which would be a very large haircut. Now, we are very close to getting to the point where we can cover what Bitcoin is about to do that it hasn't done in 6 years. I can't wait to share this information with you, but first we need to cover XRP. Whether you're a fan of XRP or not, I don't care, but I am a man of my word. In last week's video, I made it very clear that in next week's video, meaning this one, I will cover XRP. I know a lot of people are bouncing around in their seats right now. They're so excited. I'm excited for you. To be clear, I don't invest in XRP, but I'm a man of my word, and I want to give you what you deserve. We're going to look at XRP through a naked chart, 2 of them, in fact. What I want to show you are distinct trends, big picture trends, right? This is where we take this complex world of crypto, make it super simple so that you have more success. Hit that subscribe button right now. Join the movement. Hit that thumbs up button right now. I appreciate everybody watching and supporting. Pay close attention. What we see happening is we made our high and we continue to make lower highs through these various months and years, while maintaining our base, our foundation, right? So what that means is we continue to make lower highs, but we never broke our market structure. We never broke the market structure. So what happened afterwards is we had a thinning, right? We had the thinning of this point of consolidation where price action narrowed, volatility was low, and that was the calm before the storm. This happens time and time again, but this is a really textbook structure here. And then we had explosion, a really massive explosion, right? And then we're repeating the pattern. And this is in USD, right? So we're going to look at Bitcoin in a second relative to XRP. But we made our high and we're continuing to make lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high in USD, right? While maintaining our market structure. Market structure would be broken if XRP went below 15 cents. Right now we're at 24 cents. If you see XRP in the next 1 to 3 months continue to hold 15 cents and you see volatility narrowing, price action narrowing, that would be the calm before the storm relative to this move, and it could be the explosion waiting to happen, right? That is what I'm looking at with this naked chart. Let me show you the next one. We're going to take a look at BTC XRP. Now, this is what I showed you a few months ago, and we're getting closer to it playing out. but it's a simple analysis that's so powerful. The most simple analysis there is, the more powerful it is, right? Watch this. We had our high. We had our low, high, low. All we did was we went high, low, high, low. While doing that, we formed a double top and a double bottom. Textbook double bottom, textbook double top. We went high, low, low. And then we repeated the pattern. We went high, low, high, and we're still in this move, right? So during that pattern, we continued to form a double top, textbook double top, and we formed our low down here in December 2017, right? We talked about it, how this could be playing out exactly to the T as the previous, this is not a trend for the past couple months or couple weeks. This is since 2014, right? Actually 2013, sorry. Since 2013, we've been completing this pattern with our high and our low and our high and our low, forming a double top and a double bottom, and we continue to form our high, low, high, forming a double top, formed our low, and this is the level that I'm watching. If we went below here, it's big trouble. It's big trouble. But right now, we are in a point where it's all dependent on Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does is going to lead the market, and we need to watch very closely as this plays out. But these are the levels I'm watching big picture for XRP in both the USD and for the relative to Bitcoin. So this will give the XRP fans what they need to look at that big picture and to keep it super crisp and clean so you know exactly what to watch for as we move forward. Now, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I need to share this information with you so that you can stay level-headed, clear, and concise with what we are watching in terms of Bitcoin. So we're on the weekly chart. We're pulling back up the 21 week, right? 21 week again. This candle has not yet closed. If you see this candle close with the body above, we don't have the price. It's a little bit blah. I think it's 9,003-ish, 9,003-ish, 9,004. We're golden by Sunday. If not, we could be in some trouble. And let me show you why. We're going to zoom back here. And we've got the BLX chart just because there's more data, right? We need to be able to look back to 2010 so we can understand what's going on. So we're going to zoom back to 2010. Back in the glory days, we're talking about when Bitcoin was 22 cents, right? So what I want you to notice is that during a bull market, simply put, this acts as support. During a bear market, it acts as resistance. We can use the golden crosses and death cross to identify the beginning and end of those market cycles, those big market shifts. And we can also use the 21 week as a bullish sign, holding support, or a bearish sign, holding resistance. Now, as we continue, back in 2010, back when Bitcoin was 8-ish cents, we started holding support on this 21 weekly. And you can see back here in the candle of April 2011, we held our first support directly on our 21 week, and then we saw a major move to the upside. And then we saw our first bear market in crypto falling below the 21 week. So we fell below, and then we gained back momentum. We had a golden cross somewhere around here, and we continued to rally. During a bull market, when we moved to a bull market, we held critical support each and every time. And every time we broke, there was some problems, right? But what's really, really clear, and what Bitcoin is getting really, really close to doing, which it hasn't done since these two candles right here, is have a candle close with the body below the 21 weekly moving average. And we're going to talk about what it means in a moment, but just take a closer look. These candles right here in July 2013, the beginning of July of 2013, we had these bodies close as resistance to the 21 weekly. You can see what these candles look like. We have not done that. We're going to fast forward here. We have not done that for the past 6 years. You can see holding critical support with a wick. We don't care about the wicks. Remember, wicks will tell us a lot of momentum. The bodies tell a story. The bodies tell a story. The wicks just talk about momentum. If wicks are going through, we don't care. You can see we turned very bearish once we broke this. And we started holding resistance, and we went into this downturn. And then we had our golden cross here. Enter golden cross, enter bull market. We still maintain support each of the way. Did we have a random wick through? We absolutely did. But it was a wick, not a body. We have not had a body close below for the past 6 years. We kept stressing for the past 8 weeks how critical the 21 week was. This is how critical it is. We haven't seen this in 6 years. In 6 years, we have not seen it. And Bitcoin is getting close. And on Sunday will be the day. Sunday will be the day. And you can see, obviously, once we broke the 21 week, very bearish. And as soon as we broke the 21 week to the upside, very bullish. Again, bullish and bearish, the 21 week will dictate. The candle's going to close on Sunday. If it closes like this, guess what? We haven't had a candle close like this in 6 years. It could be a very bad sign of things to come. Again, we can use this as a bullish and bearish. Simply put, if this closes below, that's bearish, right? It could mean a lot more, chaos coming. So we need to pay close attention as we continue on, but let's not get too emotional. That's one thing that I've seen over this week with specifically this candle, people just freaking out. And everybody just take a deep breath. Everything is fine. Don't follow the herd. The herd will freak out if Bitcoin goes up $10 or down $10. They'll freak out about anything. But you stay calm, level-headed, and if you have a strategy, things are looking good, right? So another question that I get is, Steve, if this closes bearish and the market potentially turns a little more bearish and we potentially see those levels that we had talked about and getting close down into the $7,000, $6,005-ish range, is it still possible? Because you made a video a few months ago, this one in fact, is it still possible that we're in our ABC correction? Let's make this super clear. We made this video on July 31st, a couple months ago, and this was something that really wasn't popular to talk about. I don't think anybody talked about this outside of Alessio, and we gave him credit in this video. We looked at the 5 waves through a very different lens than Alessio did, but the ABC correction in this video we said is definitely a possibility. Is it 100% guaranteed? No, nothing's 100% guarantee, but we said that this is something we need to be aware of, that it could potentially happen. And does that still stand? Absolutely. We said in this video, actually, quote, Bitcoin's worst nightmare starting now. And this is when we were right at the top of our rally. We're around the $13,000, $14,000 range. And we made this video and we said, just be ready because we could be starting our C wave. So again, in this video, we said it's going to take 6 to 8 months to really know. We're still 6 months out before it's absolutely confirmed, right? We're still a far ways out from anything like that. But that's the really big picture. If you take a couple, 3, 4, 5 steps back, that's something that could play out and we need to be ready for it. But also, Bitcoin could go on a little bit of a rally from at this point until Sunday. We can close bullish and the rest is history. So we have to react to the chart. We can't react to our emotion of what, oh, I think this could happen, or I think this might happen. That's ridiculous. We have to go only on the charts, only on the price action, not on the news, not on all the noise, just the price action. So that's what we're seeing in the charts as we speak. It's a very exciting time. Hit that subscribe button, join the movement. And now I wanted to get into Steve's secrets to success and a lot of great stories to share with you. Before we do that, we're going to cover Neil. To pay close attention, this is a really interesting story. Neil says, quote, "Since I've been Steve's student, I would say on average, 30% gains on the majority of my trades. The cost of his classes are minuscule compared to the money I am now earning in crypto, thanks to Crypto Crew University. Instead of guessing, now I know when to buy and sell. Steve's courses are nothing short of amazing." Thank you, Neil. Shout out to you. And again, I want you to really think about and put your foot down and say, I've had enough stress. I've had enough anxiety. I've been enough guessing. I'm tired of looking at my phone all day and just feeling that stress. I want you to take that stress, put it in the garbage. Today is the day you sign up to the classes. I want to have you feel the joy of winning. Here is how to sign up. And again, this could very well be the last time, the last opportunity to sign up with this massive savings. Again, if you don't want to miss any content, the Diamond Combo includes all important classes we have. You won't miss anything. And this is if you're really new to crypto. You're going to sign up to the Diamond Combo. First link right down in the description. I'll link for you inside the video, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, PayPal, credit card, $800 savings. Sign up with Bitcoin or Ethereum, extra $500 savings. If you have been in crypto around 1 to 2 years, Gold Combo will be absolutely perfect for you. You will love it. This is our top seller, by far our most popular. By far. Gold Combo, second link. Look right down in the description. I'll link it for you inside the video, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, $500 savings, PayPal, credit card, extra 500 Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you have any questions, email me right now. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. Now what we're going to do is Steve's secrets to success. And I've got a good one today. But I want to start with students. Students, listen up. Get your ears perked up. I want to hear from you what your idea is for our next bonus class. What do you want me to cover in our next bonus class? I make sure I do bonus classes for my students for free. So I want to get... we always take the pulse of the students and we do the most popular topics so everybody is super happy. Let me know in the comments right now. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Join the movement. Hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, hit that like button. Spread the love, spread the positivity, spread the message. And also hit that bell and the share button as well. Okay, so the story of this video. Wow. This was a crazy one. So I'm a man of my word. And when I lost internet 2 days ago, I had the worst feeling in my gut because I didn't know how I was going to make this video. And I was doing everything in my powers, jumping through all sorts of hoops to try to make this video. And I found myself early this morning at a stranger's house who, by the way, wasn't even in the house. I met a person doing construction on a beach house here. And I got my way into the house. So I'm in this stranger's house who wasn't there, but the construction guy said, you can use our internet. And I laid out all my pens, pencils, my charts, my notebooks, my folders, my binders, my computer. And I prepared this video like a wild man, because usually I take 3 days to make these videos. So I don't know if you notice a difference in today's video, but it takes me 3 days to make a very buttoned up, a really thorough, straight to the point, really powerful video. And I didn't have 3 days this time. I had one. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm just super blessed and fortunate that I'm able to make this video. I think it's because I gave out positivity in the world with the local school, and it came back to me in the form of, hey, Steve, here's this random house that you can go in and everything's good, and use the internet and prepare this video. So, positivity is the main thing. You give out that positive energy, it's going to come back to you in a big way, and I'm living proof. So I'm just blessed to be able to get you this video. Yesterday, my son turned 7 months old. I can't believe it. He's already 7 months old, and he's got one little tooth starting to poke through the gums, which is really crazy. I'm just so blessed and fortunate to be able to spend these moments with him and smile and laugh. And if you're a parent, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not a parent, I really recommend it. It's such a deep fulfillment, such an incredible feeling to be a parent, and really, teach him all sorts of things every day. It's a blessing. I'm really fortunate. I'm really blessed, and I'm really happy. So I want to share that with you. Okay, Steve's Secrets to Success. Here's what we've got this week. If you're new, Steve's Secrets to Success, every single week I provide you something that's over the top, something to take your game, your life, and bring it up a notch. No matter where you're from, no matter what religion you have, no matter the color of your skin, no matter your gender, your age, it doesn't matter. What I do is provide you free, by the way, life-changing information. These are the people that want to get out of the rat race. They want their life to be better. If this is not you, then you're not going to like any Steve's Secrets to Success. But these are the people, this is for the people that want more out of life. They want to get more success, more wealth. They want to build the retirement. They want to do good in the world. They want to give back, and they want to really be a positive person in this world and leave a positive footprint. And that's what this is for. So Steve's Secrets to Success this week is never overreact. Never overreact. What do I mean by that? When Bitcoin starts dropping even a little bit, the entire herd starts overreacting, and they have a loud voice because that's 90 to 95% of humans in crypto. They're loud, they're obnoxious, and they start yelling about all these different things that could happen. And emotion is a money killer. If you listen to them even a little bit, even if you think you're not listening, it's going into your subconscious, and you're gonna lose more money. Get out of the chat rooms. If you're in any chat rooms right now, I'll bet any money that it's doing more harm than good. I'll bet any money, because there's no professional traders that are sitting in chat rooms. None. It's all people that are in the herd ranting and raving about all these crazy things. Oh my God, Bitcoin is down $15. Can you believe it? We're going to zero. And there's all these crazy ideas like, oh, I'm going to make this trade and that trade. And it puts a lot of pressure and anxiety on you. You don't need that. You want a clear mind when you're trading. You want highly focused. You want highly disciplined. And you need a step-by-step strategy. You don't need all the noise. And overreacting is, look, if Bitcoin was up here in price and Bitcoin goes down a little bit, overreacting is making impulse decisions that are just based on emotion. And you have to know that emotion is a money killer. You do not want to kill your money. You want to grow your money, not kill it. So again, overreacting is how I would describe crypto. The stock market is, everyone overreacts as well, but nowhere close to crypto, because there's so many new traders in crypto. People with less than 5 years experience are everywhere in crypto, and the stock market's a little more buttoned up, and they know how to roll with the punches much better. The crypto space is really emotional, and I need you to, when Bitcoin changes momentum or goes up or down, no matter what it does, is I want you to say, okay, I know what the herd is going to be doing. I need to do the opposite. I know how the herd is thinking. I'm going to think the opposite. And always stay level-headed, stay clear, take a deep breath, and everything will be fine. And if you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, you come watch my videos, and I guarantee you'll get that calming feeling, the sense of, hey, I got this. Everything's good. Now I can see the big picture and we're all good. So that's Steve's secrets to success today. It's a deep one. It's going to take some time to really change this, because you're probably in this routine where you're going into the chat groups and you're on these Twitter forums or whatever else these people do. It's tough to get out of that routine because it feels like a sense of community and you feel a part of it and you like reading through the comments. But it's like if you read McDonald's ads all day long, maybe you don't like McDonald's, but by the end of the day, you're going to be drooling for it. It's going into your subconscious and it's changing the way you think. So the chat groups are not a good idea. So that's my 2 cents on that. I hope you take it to heart. Last but not least, I just want to say thank you. We're building something so special together. You, me, the person sitting to your right, the person sitting to your left, we are building something special together. I'm not doing this alone, and it feels incredible to be able to impact lives, to be able to have you know, okay, now I see things a little bit clearer. Now I'm gaining confidence, and now I'm starting to understand the market. Now I'm starting to get rid of the noise. Now I'm starting to get more focused. That's powerful, and that's what we're doing with our community. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I couldn't do it without you. So my appreciation out to you. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you continue to have a beautiful day. I'll see you right back here next Wednesday for another video. I'll always be a man of my word. I'm going to deliver you that Wednesday video no matter how many hoops I got to jump through. Hit that thumbs up button if you haven't done so already. Hit that subscribe button. Join the movement. I'll see you right back here on Wednesday. Before you go, hit on one of these boxes. There should be a box that comes up in a couple seconds from now. Tap on one of those boxes so you can watch one of our past videos. Oh, and you can go to Crypto Crew U on Twitter and subscribe there. Peace and love to the Crypto Crew.